So it is an absolutely lovely morning here at RAF Lakenheath in Suffolk/Norfolk. Yeah, the weather's absolutely beautiful. It's a bit cold, but if you're wrapped up, like, it's perfect. The sun's out, there's no wind. Yeah, it's a Friday. It's Friday, the last Friday that they fly before Christmas. So I gambled and was like, they're gonna have some fun today. And yeah, they have. I normally take photos, but today I just bought my video rig, which is here. So just get something a little bit different, have some fun and try and get some different shots. And it paid off. That's all I'm gonna say. You wait till you see this video. It's gonna be insane. But yeah, like, probably one of the best takeoffs I've ever seen by a F-35. It was just incredible. So I hope you like this video. I mean, it's well worth getting up early, getting outside and coming somewhere like this. This was just incredible. It's been a great day. I hope you've enjoyed it again, and yeah, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, let me know what you think. See ya.